everyone, and welcome to Indomedia, and we are back with another vocabulary session for you this morning. Now here in this session, I'm going to discuss an article where we're going to have another set of words as we always do. And unlike others, we don't give you just first the words and we explain you the context later on. No, what we do is we give you complete 360-degree analysis of the editorial. How come? We go through word by word, we explain the meaning, the usage there in the sentence, and we give you a PDF or we give you the word list that is there on our site. The link is in the description wherein we share the synonyms and the words. We give you sentences with that word. That means the usage of that word is also clear to you. Let's begin with today's session, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it right away. The article heads as an incomplete solution on center borrowing for states. Now, incomplete solution, like there's some sort of problem to which we're talking a solution, and the solution is incomplete, which means the amount that center borrowing for states, that the center is taking or borrowing money for state, this is an incomplete solution. Why this has been said so, we will discuss it just in the article now. The center must assure states on the timeline for payment of the GST compensation due. We have previously done this one such article wherein we were talking about the GST compensation, जो कि we have seen कि जो सेंटर है वो करते हैं स्टेट्स को, और उन्होंने अभी तक वो पैसा स्टेट्स को नहीं दिया है. तो वो जो ड्यू अमाउंट है जीएसटी कॉम्पेंसेशन का, आर्टिकल में कहा जा रहा है दैट द सेंटर शुड गिव स्टेट्स अ टाइमलाइन, सेट टाइम फ्रेम, दैट विद इन दिस स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम, विद इन दिस टाइम पीरियड they would return the amount that is due or the GST compensation that's due. The past week witnessed some forward, albeit inexplicably delayed movement towards breaking the deadlock between the center and states on bringing this year's shortfall in cess collections to recompense states for adopting the GST. Now, since the past week, पिछले हफ्ते देखा गया है that some witness some forward movement but delayed movement है. Forward आगे तो बढ़ रहे हैं वो किसी तरीके से सेंटर, बट थोड़ा सा देरी कर दिया उन्होंने. Albeit inexplicably delayed means albeit here is used as a conjunction to join these two parts, which means although. Albeit here means although, जैसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं यद्यपि, कहते हैं कि ठीक है भले ही वो उन्होंने एक स्टेप आगे लिया है, सेंटर हैज कम फॉरवर्ड, बट लेकिन यद्यपि वो बहुत ही डिलेड और स्लो मूवमेंट रहा है. Inexplicably is used here as an adverb. Inexplicably has been used as an adverb here, okay, which means that cannot be explained. Okay, जिसको हम explain नहीं कर सकते, जो थोड़ा सा निर्णय या जो आप कहते हैं जिसका वर्णन करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो डिलेड मूवमेंट जो कि डेडलॉक को ब्रेक करने के, जो सेंटर और स्टेट्स के बीच में जो ये डेडलॉक आ गया है, डेडलॉक इज अ नाउन. डेडलॉक इज अ नाउन विच इज लाइक, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं गतिरोध. एक तरीके की गतिरोध है, उनकी आपसी जो मतभेद है जो वो डेडलॉक होता है, जिसको हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी कहते हैं, जो इंडिया चाइना के बीच में भी रहा, स्टैंड ऑफ बॉर्डर पर, राइट, दैट्स अ डेडलॉक. So they say that they have to bridge जो shortfall हुआ है, जो कमी, shortfall is a noun which means the lack of the something. Here we are talking about the lack of money. किस चीज की कमी की बात कर रहे हैं हम? पैसे की कमी की बात कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज उसकी कमी हुई है यहाँ पर. जो सेस कलेक्शन है उसमें ड्यू रहा है अमाउंट अभी जीएसटी कॉम्पेंसेशन का. Following a lack of consensus at a third meeting of the GST Council on the issue last Monday. Lack of consensus Consensus is a noun, learners, and it has a simple meaning. I'll wipe off the screen and explain you the meaning. So consensus means, it's a noun, it means a general agreement. A general agreement कहते हैं ना, आम या सहमति. Okay, आपसी सहमति. So there was a lack of agreement, consensus at the third meeting of the GST Council on the issue last Monday. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and said states that had agreed to the centre's proposal could begin borrowing from the market. आपको पता है, हमने we had already discussed this, that center ने ये suggestion दिया है. दो उन्होंने सजेशन दिए थे, या तो आप मार्केट से पैसा बोरो कर लो जो सेंटर बाद में जिसका इंटरेस्ट जो है वो सेंटर चुका देगा, या फिर आपको कोई जो सेंटर पैसा दे रहा है वो उतना ही पैसा देगा जितना उनके पास है. That is the point. To recap, the center had argued that just 1.1 lakh crore of the estimated 2.35 lakh crore shortfall in GST cess inflows was due to GST implementation. The rest was due to COVID-19. अब center ने क्या कहा है, जो see, there were claims that is 2.35 lakh crore. This is the amount of compensation that is due for GST to states. But what does center comes up? Center now states that it is just 1.1 lakh crore and the remaining amount is due to COVID-19. It's not due to GST it's not GST cess. It's due to the COVID thing. So here if you see, center probably is playing some sort of trick, or maybe center was at fault or is at fault, God knows. Okay, but there is some discrepancy when it comes to the amount, because see, there's a huge difference in 1.1 lakh crores and 2.35 lakh crores. It's almost the half. Okay, further, the writer says states could borrow 1.1 lakh crore with interest and principal payments to come from future cess collections, or borrow the 2.35 lakh crore but bear the interest from their coffers. Interest from their coffers मतलब अपने जेब से पैसा भरो. Coffers is the treasure chest, या जो पैसे का संदूक होता है ना, बड़ा सा संदूक जिसमें हम पैसा रखते हैं. ठीक है, पैसे का संदूक, वो उसको हम कहते हैं कॉफर. इट्स अ नाउन. ओके, सो वो दे सी दैट इफ फ्यूचर सेस कलेक्शंस, अगर आप 2.35 लाख करोड़ बोरो करते हो, मतलब पूरा अमाउंट जो आपको चाहिए, अगर आप उतना बोरो करते हो, जैसे सेंटर ने जो अमाउंट दिया आपको 1.1 लाख करोड़, अगर आप इसके साथ नहीं करोगे तो इंटरेस्ट प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट और इंटरेस्ट जो है वो फ्यूचर सेस कलेक्शन से दे दिया जाएगा. बट अगर आप 2.35 लाख करोड़ बोरो करते तो इंटरेस्ट आप अपनी जेब से दोगे. दैट इज स्टेट्स को खुद बेयर करना पड़ेगा, वो सेंटर उसमें कोई रोल प्ले नहीं करेगा. बाय वेडनेसडे 21 states had agreed to the center's first option and were permitted to raise about 79,000 crore. That's 0.5 of their gross state domestic product. Now see, it's जो GDP अगर स्टेट की बात करें तो उसका 0.5% हिस्सा है वो, as additional borrowing linked to the acceptance of the option. On Thursday, however, the center changed tack and said it was now too willing to borrow 1.1 lakh crore and lend it onward. Calling this an administratively easier measure to ensure states do not end up borrowing at different interest rates, the ministry asserted this would neither increase the fiscal deficit nor the general government debt. They asserted, that is, they emphasized or stressed. तो मिनिस्ट्री ने इस बात पर जोर डाला है, ठीक है, इस बात पर जोर डाला है, दिस इज अ वर्ब, कि ना ही तो ये फिस्कल डेफिसिट बढ़ाएगा और ना ही गवर्नमेंट डेट बढ़ाएगा. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये एक तरीका हो सकता है. ओके, सो इफ दिस इज टू एंश्योर कि जो स्टेट्स हैं वो बोरो ना करें पैसा अलग अलग रेट्स पर, ओके, एक ही साथ जो है इट कुड बी कि सारा पैसा उनको, जैसे उन्होंने कहा ना सेंटर चेंज टैग, कि इट इज वो पूरा पैसा बोरो करके एक साथ दे देंगे सबको, क्योंकि अगर अलग अलग स्टेट सब जगह से बोरो करेंगे तो इंटरेस्ट रेट वेरी कर सकता है, बट सेंटर अगर एक ही जगह से 1.1 लाख करोड़ बोरो करता है तो उनको दैट इज वन स्लैब इंटरेस्ट पॉइंट जो उनको पे करना होगा, ओके। Further, states and economists have welcomed this change of heart, especially as it helps bring in much needed cash for states to fight the pandemic. So states have welcomed this suggestion. The reason is that they believe that this might help them, or definitely not might, this will help them to fight the lackings and the much needed help that they need to fight the pandemic, because everyone at present is short of money, okay. Moving ahead, it has been said, however, it is odd that the administrative ease of the center borrowing and lending to states had not struck not block. Mandarins earlier. Mandarin is a noun which is nothing but political or official or officer, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना सरकारी कर्मचारी, okay, that's Mandarin. Given that the cess collection worries surfaced soon after the lockdown was imposed, that is, impose is to apply, thopna, it's a verb, all right. Over the course of negotiations, states had urged the center to borrow and pay them, but the finance ministry had repeatedly stressed that this would push up interest rates and upset its fiscal math. So, finance ministry is not has not agreed to this particular statement at the point that has come up. It believes that this is going to ruin the situation further. Precious time could have been saved had the center made this offer earlier. 7 months into a year that has seen economic activity and revenue sources dry up. Like सब कुछ सूख गया है, अगर सेंटर ने ये डिसीजन पहले ले लिया होता तो बहुत बेटर होता. At present चीजें थोड़ी different हैं. And states have only received 20,000 crore from the GST cess. Kerala, which was considering a petition in the Supreme Court. Petition is a noun which is a case filed. Okay. एक तरीके का जो कार्यवाही होती है, okay. In Supreme Court, with other opposition rule states has cooled off on the legal route, but sought full payment of 2.35 lakh crore shortfall this fiscal. So it has cooled off, like it has settled the legal route. Though जो केरला ने petition file किया था वो legally तो ठीक है, वो खत्म हो चुकी है, बंद हो गया है. But it has sought full payment of 2.35 lakh crore shortfall this fiscal. उन्होंने केरला की पिटिशन ने ये चीज सामने लाई है that it is the complete payment is due, that is 2.35 lakh crore. Further, it has been said on Friday, Ms. Sita Raman wrote to Chief Minister suggesting that 1.1 lakh crore, in addition to 0.5% of GSDP borrowing, would give them 2.16 lakh crore, or almost 90% of the compensation shortfall. So she has suggested that they can take this because it's almost 90%. They are not deducting more than that. Cash flow assurances aside, the center must now talk to states to ensure greater clarity on the unanswered questions, including when the states will get the balanced GST compensation that is imperative to sustain. Imperative is an adjective that is important or critical. Okay. To sustain the fragile peace attained for now. Fragile is again an adjective which means the weak, okay, like it's not that strong. कहते हैं एक जो कमजोर या हल्का, जो झटके से टूट भी जाएगा, जिसको आप आसानी से डैमेज कर सकते हो. That's the fragile piece. So as of now, the piece attained is fragile. That's fragile piece that is attained for now. But it is important, it is necessary for center to come up and answer the questions that states have, and they have to bridge the gap and regain the confidence of the states. So center is again at great shortfall, and it has to now look into it and has to bridge the deadlock, or it have to break the deadlock, okay, that has come up between the center and the states. This is the entire article on the GST compensation point. These were the words that we had to discuss for today. The list of the words is right there in the description link given below. Go click on the link, practice these words with the synonyms, antonyms and sentences to put the words into use. You can comment your own words, like the words that you believe are synonyms and antonyms to the words that we have discussed, or the words that you remember from the past session. Try to put these words into use and comment and let us know. Do not forget to like and share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more sessions with us. Thank you so much.